Here's why GitHub branches are critical for not wasting hours of your time fixing broken code. Think of your main branch in GitHub as the final copy of your essay. And if you want to try, say, a different version, you can make a copy of it and then you can start to edit it without impacting the final copy. This is incredibly useful if you want to do something like try a crazy feature idea or make a big change to your code. It's advisable not to make your changes directly on main, basically ever. You should be making changes on staging branch, or you should make a new branch for each feature that you build. With AI tools, it's really easy to just say, oh, I'm gonna go build this crazy feature. But if you do that on your main branch, then you're gonna have to start reverting those changes and trying to roll back your commits until you can kind of get main back to normal. Plus, main is typically what's used to deploy to production. So when you deploy to main, you're also deploying to your live website. I'm using Vercel to deploy, so I just connect to Vercel and it will deploy automatically whenever I update the main branch. This means when I push to main, I'm also pushing directly to production or the live website where people can see it. What's cool about connecting your GitHub to Vercel is whenever you create a branch for staging or for a feature branch, Vercel will automatically create a preview posted on Vercel that you can go view and make sure that everything's working properly before you merge it into your main branch. Another cool thing about branches is it's often used for larger teams. So say you have 2 or 3 developers or maybe a bunch more working on different features at the same time. Each developer would pull out a different branch, work on their feature, and then you would merge those features together. Whenever you're merging branches together, you might run into something called a merge conflict. This is normal. This just means that in those 2 different branches, the same lines of code were touched. You simply have to tell GitHub which version is the one that you want to keep. I'm assuming you already have Git installed. You can look and see which branch you're currently on in the bottom left here. In this case, I'm on main. If I want to change to a new branch, I can do git checkout -b and then type the name of the feature branch. I'm now on the feature branch and I can develop whatever crazy feature I want without impacting the main copy of the code. Whenever you're ready to merge this into main, you can go into GitHub and you can merge from there, or you can merge within your IDE like VS Code or Cursor. All right, that's GitHub branches. If you want to learn more about making pull requests and merging or maybe dealing with conflicts, just drop a comment and follow.